Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I received a design team package from ASC Craft Supplies, and they included the Stamperia Romantic Collection threads. This is a beautiful shabby chic collection, and the primary theme is sewing. In the collection, you receive the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8, the die cuts, as well as the chipboard adhesive stickers. This collection is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 online retail locations. You can visit them on the web or on their Etsy store. Please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I'm going to clear off my desktop so that we can review the 12 by 12 collection. I'll be right back. This is the 12 by 12. You receive 10 double-sided sheets, and this paper has a nice weight to it. On the first page, you receive these wonderful cutouts. Now, these images are quite large, much larger than what you normally see in Stamperia collections, but these all have sewing themes: buttons, fabric, needles, threads. This says, "My soul is fed with needle and thread." Sewing life. These are all very fun. On the next page, we have this gorgeous shabby chic page. Here you have the beautiful ghosted image of these filigree scissors. You have script writing on the side and this beautiful floral print in the corner. On the back, you have an all-over muted pattern. Next, you have this beautiful page with the dress form in the center, and you have these spools of thread throughout the paper and more floral designs. Now, this page would be great not only for a scrapbooking layout, but these images are quite large. You can easily fussy cut these. On the back, you have more of these sewing images with the threads, the seam cutter, spools, the thimbles. Next, we have a floral wreath, and in the center, it says, "Love is the thread that binds us." I love that it has all of these different shaped buttons and pins in the background. On the back, you have this beautiful floral designs with these light pink lilies. Next, you have this beautiful dress form in the center, flanked by these beautiful flowers, and you have these tape measures on the side of the page. Now, this is great because you can easily cut these apart. And featured on the back, you have more of these individual tape measures. Next on this page, we have several different spools of threads in all different pastel colors. On the back, we have an all-over pattern with buttons and floral detail. On the next page, we have these dress forms that you can easily cut out to use on a card or a scrapbook page. On the back, you have this vintage newspaper print. Next, you have 4 individual cut-aparts. You've got the spool of thread, a sewing machine, these scissors, and a dress form. On the back, you have this darker muted collage. On the next page, you've got this beautiful floral detail on the top and the bottom. And on the right corner, you've got this beautiful vintage sewing machine. On the next page, you have another wreath. This actually looks like an embroidery hoop. And you have these beautiful flowers. And then it is flanked with these scissors and a spool of thread. And you also have, ever so lightly in the background, these tape measures. We have another all-over collage with more of the floral detail and the printing. On this page, you have muted in the background these tape measures flanked by these beautiful flowers. And we have another page that has the threads, the dress forms, the sewing machines. This is the back, a nice muted pattern. And then last but not least, we have this cut apart page, and each of these designs are quite large, making it very easy to fussy cut. Next, we have the 8 by 8, and this is exactly like the 12 by 12. However, the pages have been minimized. This is perfect for card making. Next, we have a variety of ephemera. First, we have the chipboard pieces. There are 15 adhesive pieces, and you can see how large these are. Let me give you a closer look. And then we have these die cut pieces. There are 44 pieces. I'm going to take these out of the package so I can give you a closer look. Here's a closer view of some of the beautiful die cuts that you receive. You receive 2 sewing machines, dress forms. You have these sentiments. This says made with love, and the thread that ties us all together. You have these beautiful scissors, buttons. You have spools of thread, several bobbins, more thread. You have these thimbles and tape measures. This concludes my review of these Stamperia Romantic Collection threads. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, be sure to visit my channel to see what beautiful projects I've made with this collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.